What's up guys, this is a tutorial how to fix the rattling sound coming from your control panel on your Legends 4K pinball machine. Now if you're experiencing a rattling or rumbling sound, distorting sound coming from your control panel, it could be one of two things. It could be a blown haptic exciter speakers underneath your control panel, or it could be that your acrylic plate on your control panel is detaching. And so that's easy to find out by removing the side rails and removing the lockdown bar using a Phillips screwdriver. Once you remove the rails, then you can remove the 4 screws right here. Now when you remove the control panel, make sure you don't take it all the way out because you have to remove the cable connections. So you want to grab the cable connector, not the wire, because the wires will rip out of the connector if you pull too hard. So you want to pinch right here and then pull out these connectors by grabbing both ends. And then same thing goes for the D-pad connector. Grab the white connector, not the wires, and then pull that out as well. They only go in one way. You'll see a notch right there. But if you get your fingers on the side right here and you can tell that the acrylic plate is lifting and it's really loose, then you don't necessarily have to remove these 4 screws. You could just leave everything on. And so what you're going to need is double-sided tape like this. I found this one on Amazon. This works just fine. So I'm going to cut off a small piece right here because this piece right here is loose. And so let's go ahead and remove this film. Okay, and then we're going to place it under here. There you go. And then we're just going to run alongside right here and press down. See, it doesn't lift up and shouldn't rattle anymore. If you're still experiencing the rattling sound, then it's probably a blown speaker. And if that's the case, then you can go ahead and remove the blown speaker. You just wiggle it, and if it's loose, then it most likely is just falling apart and it's blown. Sometimes that happens if you play a lot in OTG mode, and if you're playing Pinball FX tables or VPX tables and you set the volume too loud, it can blow these 5-watt speakers. They're not as durable as the SSF kit haptic speakers. Those are a lot more durable, higher watts. These are just 5-watt speakers. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to remove those. So I like to spray it with alcohol like this one. I use a hot hair dryer, set it on low. Also use a pry tool that's bendy like this. Now keep in mind that if you use the hot hair dryer too close to the acrylic plate, it can melt and distort. So make sure you're about 4 or 5 inches away. Use your metal pry tool and slowly wedge it under. Both sides. And it should come straight off. Go ahead and clean off the rest of the residue. Just like that. Now with the replacement, you go ahead and then you can peel off this tape and then do the same for the other side. Once you do the same for the other side, you go ahead and put the replacement on. You use the tape just like so. Peel off the film, and then once you peel off the film, center it. Make sure this is dry and clean, and you center it right here. and place it down. Hold it there for about 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Go ahead and reattach the cables, and that should fix it. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.